Hey everyone, welcome back to Ignite Core Solutions. In this video, we're diving into one of the most important foundations of JavaScript, variables and data types. Let's get started. A variable is simply a container for storing data values. It allows us to label and manage information so that we can use it later in our programs. In modern JavaScript, we use three keywords to declare variables: var, let, and const. Var is the old way. Let is used for variables that can change. Const is used for values that should stay constant. Here is an example. Let username is equals to Jasm. Const app name is equals to Ignite Core Solutions. Username can be updated later, but app name will stay the same. JavaScript have different types of data we can work with. These are called data types. The main ones include string for text, number for numeric values, boolean for true or false, undefined and null for empty values, object and array for more complex data. Let's look at some quick examples. Let name is equals to Jasm is a string value. Let age is equals to 10 is a number value. Let is student is equals to true is a boolean value. Let data is equals to null is equals to a null value. Let score is an undefined value. Let user is equals to the brackets name, Jasm, age 10. That's an object. Let colors is equals to red and blue. That's an array. You can also combine variables in your code to produce your output. For example, console.log hello my name is $ brackets name and I am $ brackets age years old. Always use const unless you plan to reassign the variable. Keep your variable names clear and meaningful to make your code easier to understand. Try this. Create a variable that stores your favorite programming language, then print a message using that value. Practice makes man perfect. That's a quick overview of variables and data types in JavaScript. In the next video, we'll explore operators and expressions. See you there. Bye bye.